How to send an invoice and get paid. In this video, I will show you how to send an invoice so you can get paid faster, all within the platform. To create one, click on the New button at the top left of the portal and select Invoice. Select the client for whom you are creating this invoice. If you want to produce them in bulk, you must do it directly in a pipeline. We have a different video dedicated exclusively to that. You can select the invoice template. If you don't, you'll have to fill out all the other fields by hand, which is precisely what we will do for this example. If you ignore the invoice number option, it will be filled out automatically for you once your client receives it. You can select whether you want the client to pay you with a debit or credit card or both. By default, the date will be set for the day you create the invoice, but you can change it here if needed. Now, select the team member who will be in charge of this invoice. The description indicates to your client what this invoice is for. You can personalize it using shortcodes, as shown on the screen. In the Additional section, you will have the option to email the invoice to your clients. This is important because it allows your clients to be notified by email and pay the invoice even without logging into the portal. The line items are the things you are charging your clients for. If you select here, you can have some services already created, but you can write anything from scratch. Let's look at an example. Let's say you want to charge for tax return preparation and a 2-hour tax consultation session. Tax return preparation has a fixed rate of $300, while a tax consultation session is billed at $150 per hour. Since this second item is for 2 hours, let's change the quantity to 2. Here, the subtotal is marked as $600. If we add a 5% value-added tax, the total amount increases to $630. Finally, you can add a note to the client and personalize it using shortcodes. It can be either a note with the payment details or just a message. This note will be displayed in the client portal and the PDF invoice. Before finalizing, you can press the Preview button to see how it will look to your clients. Once you are satisfied, click Create, and that's it. On your client's portal, they will see it directly on their home page. By default, your clients have the option to pay invoices in full or partially. If you requested a partial payment, your client can write the amount right here.